In this video, we're going to cover why this 9-figure Shopify store converts like crazy, and we're going to cover 3 things that you can take from this store and apply to your store in order to maximize your conversion rate and how much you profit from your Shopify store so that you can scale your Facebook ads and your advertising more easily and more profitably. So the first thing that we're going to cover is regarding the product page, which is arguably one of the most important pages on your Shopify store. And that thing is that how they're summarizing their reviews in order to increase the trust and communicate the benefit of their product. So what I mean by that? So when we are on their product page, as you can see, they have this star rating widget, which is something that is common, but the thing that they're utilizing is this part on the right, which says See Review Summary. And when you click on the See Review Summary, what you get is this slider on the right, which summarizes the reviews, what are the benefits that their customers are finding in their products, so that the new visitors can easily understand what are the benefits that they're going to get from this product, right? The thing that is very powerful with this one is that their customers don't have to go through all the reviews and then understand what are the benefits that other customers are finding valuable. And for this reason, this really helps them understand that benefit as quickly as possible so that they can proceed with placing the order. Another thing that is also extremely powerful is that they're using the stats, they're using the data. And when you're using the stats, for example, 51% of reviewers mentioned that their hair has benefited from this product. This actually communicates your benefit from an objective point, which helps your visitors perceive your message as a not salesy message, but still persuades them to buy because it is objective stuff, it is objective data. You're just saying what are the stats from your customers, and therefore you get to persuade them to buy their products. So when you click on any of these, you get scroll down to the section and you can see that part is highlighted, the one that you have clicked, which really helps you find these benefits in the reviews that you want to find. For this app, they're using the Yotpo AI, and you can try this on your store in order to maximize how much people trust you, how much people understand the benefit of your product, and ultimately increase your conversion rate. The next thing regarding this store that is helping them a lot with increasing the conversion rate and especially the profitability of their store is how they're using the subscription and the benefits of that subscription on their product page. So when you scroll a little bit down, you have this section, you have the purchase options, you can subscribe or you can go for the one-time purchase. But the thing is that when you go for the subscribe, even if you cancel after, for example, 15 days, you will still get these 20% off your first purchase. So the thing is that this makes this offer a no-brainer because you can just subscribe and in 50 days cancel it and you will still get the discount. But the thing is that if your customer, for example, liked this product and they have benefited from it, they will get charged in 1 month on 30 months and they will order your product automatically so that they will not need to kind of evaluate that decision once again to buy from you. They have already made the decision when they're placing the order now, and in 3 months they will be congruent with that decision and they will automatically receive your product because they like it and they have already made a decision to buy from you again. So this is why the subscription is a must-have feature for stores that are selling the CPG products or products that are consistently being ordered. But the thing that you need to have in order to make it work, you need to make that offer of the subscription enticing enough so that they subscribe on their first purchase. So you can see that's why they have this section here, subscribe for benefits, and then you have what benefits you have. First order offer, which is this one, you get the discount here, you get the free shipping with the first order if you subscribe, which is also huge, and you can cancel anytime. This is also very important to have here because there's a lot of the objections, will I be able to cancel it and stuff like that. Obviously they will be able, but you need still to state that on their product page so that they know that they can unsubscribe anytime so that they get the benefit of buying your product with this subscription option. So this is very powerful way to increase your conversion rate on the first purchase and also to increase your retention rate, especially if you have a great product, because people have already made the decision to buy from you again and they will just be congruent with that decision. So the third thing, which is perhaps the most important thing for increasing the conversion rate, for increasing the AOV and for increasing the repeat purchase rate, is how they are using the personalization when it comes to their first purchase customers. So what I mean by that, when you go to the home page and you're on the home page, the main CTA of the whole website is customize my formula. And when you click on that, you get redirected to this page. When you get on this page, you start the quiz, which will help you get the personalized product and the formula for your specific case. And this is very powerful because Personalization in marketing has always increased the conversion rate and have helped their customers get the exact solution that they need. So if you can personalize the experience of your customers, you will increase the conversion rate and you will increase their satisfaction. So when you click on the Let's Go CTA, you start with this page where you can put your name so that they can personalize it even further. I'll just put the name because it feels a little bit cringe for me to put the name on the Haircare product. So then you have a set of questions here which I will go through quickly so we don't have to go through all of them. And now after I've answered all these questions, I'm on this page where I get the results of my quiz and I get the scores for my hair and stuff. And based on these questions, you can see they are first of all showing the social proof and the transformation of the similar customers with these stats have achieved with their product. And also you have these stats. Once again, you can see they're using stats a lot because stats are a very powerful way to objectively persuade your customers. Then they have the social proof and stuff. And then here they have the continue button, which will lead me to the solution that they have designed for me. So they're not showing the solution right after the quiz. They're showing me what they have concluded after my input. And now they want to present me with this solution. When I click on the continue, you see we get into this page, and this is the most important part of the whole quiz because it gives a personalized solution for your specific case. So based on your results, we suggest these products, and they kind of suggest 4 products. In the previous step, they have shown me the social proof so that I believe that these products will help me because they have helped their customer, and now they're showing me the bundle that is the best for me. A thing that is also very powerful here is that, as you can see, they have a 20% off first order offer, which just makes it more enticing for the first time visitors to proceed with placing the order. Another thing that this really helps beside the conversion rate is that it helps with the AOV because they have bundled 4 products together and the order value of this is $102, which just helps with the profitability, and especially if you're running Facebook ads, this will a lot help you with increasing your returns. So now that I'm here, I can select what's the fragrance that I want. I can set the delivery schedule like this, and then the last button is the button that leads you to the checkout where you can finally place your order. So this is a very powerful way to really personalize the experience so that your customers feel like they have gotten the right product for them. And it will also help them get the right product because it's personalized for them. It will increase the conversion rate, it will increase the customer satisfaction, and it will also increase the repeat purchase rate because if people are satisfied with your product, they will come back to your store and they will order more and more. And especially if they have selected that subscription option, which is very enticing for the first time customers. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. This is a very powerful way to increase your conversion rate, to increase your AOV and retention. And it's not a surprise that this store is an 8-figure store, and this is how they're utilizing their store in order to maximize how much they profit from it. And if you'd like me to help you with increasing your conversion rate and profitability of a Shopify store, click the link down below to book a call with me and watch the next video that will help you with increasing the conversion rate.